Welcome to Northeast Window, the weekly news, a program where we recap the top highlights of the week gone by. Now let me give you the top headlines of the week. Child climate justice activist 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐑 accorded rousing welcome at Moirang. We'll give you the details. Chief Minister N. Biren cautioned against carrying illegal arms, said legal action will be taken. 22 injured in 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐑 clash at 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐑, Section 144 imposed for 2 months in 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐑 district. The CBSE New Delhi has withdrawn affiliation granted to schools of 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐿 and Kangpopi. Senapati-bound passenger bus stopped near Gamgipai in Kangpopi. Naga passengers board local vehicles for Senapati. Now giving you in details. Child climate justice activist 𝐃𝐃𝐂𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐑 was accorded a rousing welcome during her visit at Moirang. Large number of residents of Moirang Konjengbam Lekai, Kumam Lekai and Moirang Lamkai welcomed 𝐃𝐃 by lighting candles. 𝐃𝐃 expressed delight at the warm welcome accorded to her by the people. At the same time, she expressed sorrow at all the unfortunate incidents taking place in the state since the ethnic violence broke out in May. She said her visit to the state is to encourage the people to join hands in bringing justice.
Different natabida alag natabida ako'y punna ama whole oina one oina na ako'y punna fight to binaje ma'am ako'y fight to binaje ako'y justice phangna ako'y fight punna one oina together oina ako'y peace pami ako'y loy peace ki pray to binaje aduga I do ako'y government of India da I do push forward to ganisi violence je ako'y imaleba manipur da Thodo ngayon si lepan na ba ay angam batawgi si violence si lepan na ba aduga ay conference ng chatpa to ay speech na jo meetings na jo chatpa court pa ga pa do ay na choba prime minister president kung ba una ba do ay ato jo manipur ki to iba thodo ngayon violence ng mino hard pa na ba je deforestation poppy drug plant hong na ba je ay loy asing babari nung loy ligi loy haigi Nene hoy bubu hoy bobo hoy dada hoy ki awaba ngai do ai na hoy moi de li ki ai na du ma da sing ba wari do ai na moi de loi hai ki adu bu ai na khata hai ba je ya ro akhoi myam punna ama oina ai am ka hai de ki fight to ba ma jangi adu ma na ko si fight ta punna one na yari akhoi si fight to win to wani akhoi justice phangani akhoi the peace la kami adu myam ai ga fight to mina je ko
Manipur's 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐑 and 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐑 will be participating in Mr. India 2023 to be held for 5 days in Maharashtra's Sangli district organized by Global Model India. 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐑 said, Mr. India 2023 is the second Mr. India competition organized by Global Model India. The grand finale of the competition will be held in Maharashtra's Sangli district on 24th of this month. Stating that 2 persons representing Manipur in the competition is a pride for the state. 𝐃𝐄 sought blessings from the people of Manipur for the competition.
December 2023 Global Model Mr. India second edition Manipur represent Global Model Mr. India second edition Director Sir Amar na silaga chatpagi oinadi ai yamna proud feel oijai aduga mayamgi mahumda ai mai pak pa oijaraki hainasu kamjagi.
Chief Minister N. Biren announced that stringent legal action will be taken up against carrying illegal arms across the valley. The Chief Minister said this on Monday during the foundation laying ceremony of 3 projects in Lilong Assembly constituency, including Lilong Usoy Pokpi Market, a skill development hub and a rehabilitation center. Chief Minister N. Biren also inaugurated a hostel for Muslim women, a library hall, guest house cum canteen at Sunrise Public School at Lilong Nungay on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister N. Biren said, BJP government came into being at the time when ban and blockade hugely affected the lives of the people. He reiterated that the BJP government had been working to bridge the gap between the hills and the valley to bring equal development and peaceful coexistence. He continued that, considering the population of Churachandpur, the 3rd medical college of the state was set up in the district. Questioning why any indigent would be furious with the government's initiative to check the influx of outsiders, he stated that the government has never asked any indigenous people of Manipur to leave the state. He further reiterated that the misgovernance from the past 30 years in the state is the cause of all the sufferings of the people today. Biren further questioned what substantial measures had the past governments taken up in the past 40 years. They even failed to construct proper border fencing. He maintained while questioning if the establishment of new unrecognized villages is the good thing the past government claimed to have been taken up for the state. Biren said many people of Manipur have and would have to sacrifice their lives in protecting the motherland, but the present war is with the government, he said. Hitting out at the opposition that nothing good will come out of talking by sitting on the fence, Biren asserted that it was with inception of the BJP government the war on drugs campaign began in Manipur. Chief Minister N. Biren also said that the government will always restrict establishment of new unauthorized villages, which has been on the rise with the influx of illegal immigrants to the state.
Bharatiya Janata Party natna Manipur kangadaba party leite. Ay atai de hullo. Yo laga sarma mayam natani Manipur. Kamai pali more kari waram gay. Mayam punamaki boresni. Small town committee leader mini. Akoy Pangal ki member karam mini. Maitei ki member karam mini. Lo ina pull kana small town committee ki chairman taruka sasan torumba more ni. Kana na mangalamba. Aduga ngasina BJP muthala di fani haidni. Moi na tawgiba jingdos document do phag yengo photo do yengo ngasi mitom ne hairiba dugumba thanglen paw hairiba jera de president do kanana recognize sormi karma matam gi party na recognize sormi karma matam gi home minister na recognize sormi photo leibani yengo aduga ngasi kanna honor koi khoida nai om ga sar ga lerma ba state ni koi cancer taramgada bukita ngai bani ai khoina hantu oga nai do hantu horgo ji nai hanbagi kitang wabagi wani nabagi wani but cancer makti nar khoi hingagada jati ne khoi hingagada bani se thaje lanji sarkar yaugda budon khalli ne sigriba MR IRB commando Assam Rifles army sing do phamung da tum na sigibro front line de nomai kapna ragani sigri do Sarkar ki mohot silagani thengna ribalan mayam do aduna ngasi ai mayam da Manipur ki mayam da ya pilama tokjari wari saba peace talk ta leiba oigera peace talk leitaba da oigera amma oigera sorok lamjau da khulai pairaga uniform selaga satliba aina yadaba sing police constitution na piriba Constitution hapiba forcing nataba madu ngasidagi lepio natragadi government gi akanba action law gi matung ina khoi logani amana police ki thabak mahut sillaga torkanu drug chaba phagera parlor phagera gari thura lambagi phagera gari thawbagi phagera paisa kharam bagi phagera Noi laikai prajana thengnarga police ta sinabadi yai noina nakuna pairaga mibu phuba hatpa dandi tobuse madu masu akoi government madu koi silent spectator oina genga ga leiroi gari ema khangdabadagi thawrga laga swai dekta noina mapu sarga migi gari do munbagumba Miki gari do adugi oirame na hangmagumba pharaga I card check tobugumba noi kanano noi kari oirige henmalle tabadai khoi ware irang sina maram oirakana khara khoi kitang uboi uduboi khangbani sigi sarkar sigi maroina CM oiriba aigi de aigi ni haiba mi laite ko isa bhau bai jail da sinagi bani pani me na khangani aigi marup laite lana toruma ba madu ain gi chapchaba ma dum phangani.
Huge clash had erupted between Jo tribe and 𝐃𝐄𝐂 in 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐂 village in 𝐶hurachandpur district on Tuesday when a group of individuals belonging to Jo tribe attempted to raise a Jomi flag and spray Zo land near a memorial stone at 𝐃𝐄𝐂 village. Following the incident, a district magistrate 𝐶hurachandpur district had imposed a section 144 for 2 months in the district prohibiting assembly of 5 or more persons from 18th of December and more particularly at 𝐃𝐄𝐂 village. Reportedly, over 1,000 Zo people gathered near the residence of 𝐃𝐄𝐂 village and protested aggressively. Sensing the potential for a significant clash, 𝐃𝐂𝐂 residents from the northern side of town from Tuibong area began marching towards 𝐃𝐄𝐂. Later, a team of quick response team units of 𝐶hurachandpur district police rushed to 𝐃𝐄𝐂 and dispersed the mob. In the scuffle, 6 persons, including 2 𝐾𝐂𝐂 and 4 Zo, reportedly sustained minor injuries. They were taken to 𝐶hurachandpur district hospital and received first aid there before being discharged. Later, another confrontation erupted at Selmat Bridge, the border between 𝐾𝐂𝐂 and Zo people. A police team initially positioned between the two communities managed the situation for a brief period before the Rapid Action Force intervened. Tear gas cells fired by RAF effectively controlled the situation and prevented further escalation. In the incident, a total of 22 persons were reportedly injured, with 3 to 4 individuals sustaining head injuries but were reported to be stable. On 20th of this month, the Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi, has withdrawn affiliation which was recently granted to schools of 𝐶hurachandpur and Kangpopi districts on the ground that the No Objection Certificate, NOC, submitted by these schools has not been issued by the authorized functionaries of the state government. In an official statement issued on Tuesday, Joint Secretary Education S, Government of Manipur, Anjali Jongtham, announced the names of 25 schools of which affiliation has been cancelled. The official statement also said that necessary action will be initiated against those responsible for flouting rules and regulations of the state government or of Central Board of School Education. If any school is found not following due process in the future, necessary action will be initiated against them also, apart from withdrawing of affiliation by competent authority, it said. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren assured that the guest house constructed for Hill leaders in Imphal will be handed over before the onset of the new year 2024. The Chief Minister was speaking at the curtain raiser ceremony of Indian Navy warship INS Imphal held at the Sacred Kangla on Friday. The crest of the Navy advanced warship Imphal was unveiled by Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh in New Delhi on November 28. Chief Minister N. Biren said it is a pride of the state that an advanced warship of the Indian Navy has been named after the state as INS Imphal. He informed that INS Imphal, the third in the series of the Vishakhapatnam class guided missile destroyers, will be commissioned to the Indian Navy in Mumbai on December 26. Highlighting different developmental initiatives taken up for the state by the central government, the Chief Minister also greeted the people of the state on the occasion of Christmas. On the other hand, Biren also announced that a library for every recognized tribe of the state will be constructed and established soon.
Defense ki lamda achowa item manoriba Navy ke dumba part sidida pikraba Manipur sigi capital city Imphal gi minga INS Imphal haidana worship ama maming ga thonbi da tawbu se ko yatake mati sauthuk saningai ni masigi Manipur si yamna ninthina fajana semamba thamamba khalamba aikhoi sidida sumna yengbiyo natural calamities pak thok da bani mayam da yamna topa jaga da thoiba earthquake togdana flood togdana cyclone lakdana mi atuk shiri atuk te aduk mani gai se khoi Manipur si pak thok da sana lebang Manipur pai pu sing sa fajana khallaga sing gi range mayam si ko na tabana tampak sta khallaga le aduna lai pa hainai khoi gi alaman mayam haris yam sauthok saningai ni sahi lising amani subna ningthau pandana magi history magi nation na go idana la amido madugi spirituality da ekoina ngasi ningthani madugi recognition duni Bharat Sarkar na adu honorable Prime Minister Modi ji na Defense Minister Rajnath ji na adu Bharatiya Janata Party ki party na munna kupna khallakanda defense ki lapam matamda puari ga mari leinaba suguma INS amada worship amada mingbiwa matamda Imphal bireise madu Bharat Sarkar na khoi pi asuping na khoi Manipur sa pirei respect recognition khoi pirei ni
As announced by the government of Manipur, the Imphal to Senapati passenger bus service has been flagged off. A Senapati-bound passenger bus was flagged from North AOC along with security escort on Saturday. Some passengers boarded the bus. According to a report, a large mob of cookies stopped the bus and restricted the passage beyond the barricade at the gate, which read, "Welcome to 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐑," at 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐑 village bordering Imphal East and 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐄𝐑 districts. While the passengers of the bus, who were all Nagas, have safely boarded other local vehicles for Senapati district. Large number of people of 𝐃𝐿PP district gathered on the streets as the news of flagging off the bus from Imphal spread like wildfire. And that is all we have for this week. Thank you for tuning in. See you next week. Until then, this is Jessie Thiam signing off.